So guys, I just received my payment again from Respondent.io. You can see this is November 17, and when I click on this email that Respondent sent to me, you can see Respondent sent you 4 USD. And if I scroll down here, you just need to scroll down and you are going to see the money that they sent me. You can see where it said redeem $4 or 4 USD. So what I need to do now is to click on the section where it said redeem 4 USD. I just want to show you again that this is Respondent and send me this proof. It's just to show you that I am making money with Respondent.io. So it just depends on how you plan to do your own. I hope you have watched my full video. If you have not, you can go and watch the full video on YouTube on how you can create your Respondent account and use it to make money online. So what I need to do now is to click on redeem. So once you click on it, it's going to pop this screen up. So it's going to bring this screen up for you. So what you need to do, you need to go through it like this. And once you have read everything, let me just read the first paragraph. It says, thank you for taking part in a recent study with Respondent. We truly appreciate your time and insight. So what you need to do, just scroll down here and you click on the section where it says you should redeem this $4. I will click on it. And it's going to pop this up. So once it pop this up, you need to choose the method that you want to use to redeem your money. Either you use Visa or you can use other payment method here. When I click on view more, you can see you can use other payment method that you want to use. If you want to use virtual Visa, you can do that. If you want to use Adidas, Amazon, Apple, Google Play Store, Inspire, Travel.fr, and if you want to use MATYFR. It just depends on you, but me, I usually use paper. You see transfer options, which is 1, you can see is paper. And if I want to use that, I just need to click on it. Let us say I want to use like gift card, Amazon gift card. I will click on Amazon, and once I click on Amazon, it's going to pop this up telling me that I want to redeem this my money with Amazon. Once I click on redeem, they're going to give me a code. Is this code I will go and use to redeem this my $4, or now you can see it converted to euros, which will now be €3.45. I will go and redeem it on my Amazon account. So that is if you want to redeem it as a gift card. But for me, I prefer redeeming my money in paper because I want the money to be deposited into my paper so that I can use it to buy whatever I want. So that is what is good. So if I click on again redeem, it's going to take us to the same session that we already did before. You just need to scroll down and click on redeem, and you just need to click on a paper option because me, I prefer paper option. So make sure you click on that. Here where it said country, you can select your country. If you want, you can just select the country where you created that your Respondent account on. It's very, very important. Or the country where you are living in. So I will just leave my country, which is France. I just need to scroll down here and click on paper. So once I click on paper, it brings me here asking me to enter my email. I will enter my paper email now. So now that I've entered my paper email, I just need to click on the section where it says transfer for USD. I will click on that. And as you can see, the money have been transferred into my paper account. You just need to wait 2 or 3 minutes and you are going to see the money deposited into your account. You can see your money will arrive shortly to paper account of money. This is my paper account here. You claim your paper payments on November 17. So that is just to show you proof that this is another date, because I made video last time about how you can redeem your money. Why I go in depth on this is because of people who is trying to use other method to receive their money. That is saying paper is not available in my own country. Paper is not available in my own country. You know now how you can use it. So I just received a notification from paper letting me know that the money have been deposited into my paper account. So when I click this down, you can see $4. And if I click on this screen here, is going to pop a screen up asking me to log in my paper account. So as you can see, it just show me $4 have been sent into my paper account. So that is how you can redeem your money if you want to receive your money from your paper account. I want you to understand that when you ask for your money from Respondent.io, they are not going to send the money directly into your paper account. You are going to receive this type of emails that you are seeing me receiving here. So you are going to receive this type of email letting you know that they have sent you your money. That you can decide if you want to deposit the money directly into your paper account or you want to redeem it as gift card. Sometimes some of you are going to this issue like, but I have entered my paper account and am I going to still receive the money into my paper account even if my paper account have a problem? You don't need to worry. They will not deposit the money directly into your paper account. They will give you an option for you to be able to redeem the money with other payment method. So that is just to notify and clarify this issue if you are having problem redeeming your money from respondent.io. So you know now multiple ways that you can use to redeem your money with respondent.io. Only what I'm asking from you is for you to just hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video with your friend, and like. I will see you guys on my next upcoming video. Peace. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe, guys.